Hey there! Ever wanted to make a restaurant-quality vegetable lasagna at home? Today, I'll show you my foolproof method for creating the most delicious, cheesy vegetarian lasagna that even meat lovers can't resist. It's easier than you think, and I'll guide you through every step. All right, let's get this veggie lasagna started. Grab your favorite skillet and heat up that olive oil over medium heat. Once it's shimmering, toss in those chopped onions and let them do their thing until they're nice and soft. You'll know they're ready when they become translucent and start to smell amazing. Time to amp up the flavor. Drop in that minced garlic. I love how the kitchen starts smelling incredible at this point. Then add your chopped bell peppers and zucchini. We're going to cook these until they're tender, but still have a bit of bite to them. You want them to hold their shape in the lasagna, not turn to mush. Also, if you want to upgrade your nonstick frying pan, I'll leave mine, which I'm very happy with, in the video description. Now for my favorite part, add that beautiful spinach to the pan. It might look like a lot at first, but trust me, it's going to wilt down to the perfect amount. Just keep stirring until it's nice and wilted, which should only take a couple of minutes. Let's bring all these gorgeous vegetables together with our marinara sauce. Pour it right in and give everything a good stir. Let this mixture simmer for about 5 minutes. This helps all those flavors get to know each other better, if you know what I mean. While our sauce is simmering, let's prep our cheese mixture. In a bowl, combine that creamy ricotta with 2 eggs. This will help bind everything together. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good mix until it's nice and smooth. Here's where things start getting serious. Preheat that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's heating up, we can start assembling our lasagna masterpiece. This is the perfect temperature for getting those cheese layers all melty and delicious. Time to start layering. Spread a thin layer of our veggie sauce on the bottom of your baking dish. This prevents the noodles from sticking. Then lay down your first layer of those oven-ready noodles. Isn't it amazing how we don't even need to boil them first? Now comes the fun part. Spread some of that ricotta mixture over the noodles, then sprinkle with mozzarella and Parmesan. Don't worry about being too precise. Lasagna is pretty forgiving that way. Keep building those layers until you've used up all your ingredients. Make sure to end with sauce on top, then crown it with the remaining mozzarella and Parmesan. This will give us that gorgeous golden top we're looking for. Cover the dish with foil, not too tight. We want to leave a little space between the foil and the cheese. Pop it in the oven and let it bake for 35 minutes. The foil keeps everything moist while it cooks. After those 35 minutes, take off that foil and let's get some color on top. Back in the oven, it goes for another 10 to 15 minutes, or until you see that cheese getting golden brown and bubbly. Those crispy cheese bits around the edges? Pure gold. Here's the hardest part. We need to let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting in. I know it's torture, but this helps the layers set up properly. Plus, it'll be way too hot to eat right away anyway. Trust me, it's worth the wait.